Hi, I'm Anand, CEO and founder of Pulse 360. Our company has a B2B software for financial advisors. We help financial advisors document and communicate their advice in half the time. I was in the industry for about 20 years, and I know we spend 50 meetings or 50 minutes for every meeting just documenting. Our industry is highly, highly regulated, so documentation is a necessity. And what we looked at the problem, we decided that we're going to replace all the hodgepodge of different software that they use to document, from Microsoft Word to emailing out, and text expander, and just some manual, even manual digital manual notepads. We've replaced all that with one system that saves advisors at least 50% of the time that they spend documenting the advice, and it's a repeatable process and a scalable process for the financial advisors. So I'm super excited for the software and the solution we're bringing to make all these advisors deliver their advice in a lot more efficient manner than what was possible previously. From a go-to-market strategy in our industry, we connect with integrated partners. So for example, CRM providers or other tech vendors that provide to the advisors. So that's one of the go-to-market strategies that we're utilizing, is by building in integrations with them. We're able to utilize their client base so that we can go out and market to them because of all the integrations. The second is, in our industry, there are smaller companies that have 100, 200, 1,000, 2,000 advisors, and we're going to go after those as well, the broker dealers, and try and get approved on their platform so that we can make our software available to those advisors. So those are the two main go-to-market strategies, besides, of course, some sort of marketing on a social media, but that will play a little bit of a smaller role. From a business strategy perspective, the way that we have built our team, it's me, myself, as well as a co-founder, Jamie, who's out of England, and I have a couple of developers that are on our team that are remote out of Argentina, actually. So we have an entirely remote team, and we've been operating like this for about 2 years now. And it has worked, and now I know remote very well, even before COVID had started. So we're going to be utilizing that platform, as well as making strategic relationships. Like, for example, a major CRM CEO is going to be an advisor for us, as well as a potential investor here soon. So we're going to utilize his expertise and his network to grow our sales. From a stage of development perspective, we launched last May, and May 4th, for you Star Wars fans, you'll know what that is. And we did an early beta launch, and we have about 80 financial advisors that are currently using our software and loving it. They're already seeing enormous, more than 50% time savings. An advisor recently just said they were normally spending 40, 50 minutes just writing as follow-up email, and now they're able to do it in like less than 10 minutes. So from a development perspective, we have launched as beta, and now we're going out officially this year in 2021 to reach out to all the other advisors. And from a landscape and exit, well, our industry, fintech industry, if you want to use any buzzwords, we have the fintechs as well as regtech, because we have, we're fully regulated in our industry. Recently, Sequoia, for example, just invested, I think, $45 million in another firm in our industry that's doing a little bit different, of course, than what we're doing. So our industry is definitely on the uptake from a landscape investments perspective. That there was a merger and acquisition that happened, I think, a couple of years ago for $500 million of a firm called Advisant, and also Money Guide Pro. So we definitely are looking at that from a landscape as well as exit. Most likely exit is going to be another investment firm coming and purchasing us. However, IPO is also something that we definitely consider.